Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Oceans Cleanup Upgrade ticket or upgrade voucher in Heartopia. So in this Call of Whales event, there is a new hobby, the Oceans Cleanup, and then in here you can get many level on here. And to leveling up your level, you need the Oceans Cleanup hobby upgrade ticket. That in here you can get it at the Whalefall Canyon Field Guide over here at the shell icon. Just tap on the shell icon, and then in here at the some level reward, you will get the Oceans Cleanup Hobby upgrade. So make sure to keep leveling up your Whalefall Canyon Explorations level on here, and then from here at the some level you will get the Oceans Cleanup Hobby upgrade voucher as a reward like this. And to increase your level on this Whalefall Canyon Explorations level, you need the Explorer certificate that you can get it after you complete the daily request on here. You can get the certificate from here, or you can also get it after you complete some quests from NPC at this Whalefall Canyon. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!